Good morning, everyone. This is my salvia. I finally got it in the ground, and we're going to be taking a look. This is my new thing now. Every morning I have to come out and look at all the blooms and buds and everything that's looking great, and I've been pleasantly surprised. Today is February 1st. Yeah. So my hydrangeas are doing well. I see lots of green on there. What?
Bee.
There's a bee?
Yes, the yellow cat.
Okay, don't touch it.
You like it?
Alright. My baby, she saw a bug. She got scared. So here's my hydrangea that I propagated. I feel so proud. Oh my goodness, it's doing so good. I'm going to link a video to this in the description below of what I did, and actually got this idea from Lehman, and it was really effective. Like, I'm still, because I've actually cut the hydrangeas before and stick them in the dirt, and that didn't work. This method works way better and it's more effective. Alright, so let's go take a look at the bulbs. So we're going to start here. As you remember, this one is the one we had in the water. That's the forest bulbs. And this one over here is the one that was in the dirt that I got from Publix. I got this one from Costco, and this one is from Publix. And if you look, like yesterday when I had it in here, it was not blooming as yet. So these bloom so fast. So when I told you I'm going to get bulbs in Florida, we're getting bulbs in Florida. So look at this. So I'm going to link a video to that of how I got the Publix bulb and the Costco bulb from the glass, as well as from the, I think they're forest bulbs. So I'll link a video to that when I planted these. I think I planted these yesterday or the day before. So the next one is, look at these, they're all out.
Mommy, I see back. I see back.
So this is one of the pinkish purplish ones, but they are doing so great. Look at that. So they came up after the ones in the front. The ones in the front are over there. But look at this. And here go the other set over here. The other set over here. These look a bit brown instead of green, such as the other ones. Look at that, just pushing through. Wow. Beautiful. And the other ones are over there. I'm going to the other side. Here they are. Wow, look at that. So pretty.
Oh no, my head broken. My hands dirty, Mommy.
Yes, honey? Your hands are dirty?
Yes, my head dirty.
We'll wash our hands in a minute. Alright, so here go the angle. But look, you guys don't understand. This is so amazing. This is gonna be my first time successfully growing tulips if we do have blooms. Like I said, last year I tried it and it was an epic fail, mainly because I planted them so late. Wow. All right, look at that. Wow. So yeah, so I was saying last year was definitely a fail. I got two itty bitty tiny, I think that they were about this height, and there was flowers. I planted them in April, so I think that was one of the things not to do, was planting them so late. So they came up so fast, about that height with the flowers on it, and it was only two of them out of all the bulbs I purchased. So I think I learned some lessons and things, what to do and what not to do, such as make sure you pre-chill them. If you're in a warmer climate, you want to make sure your bulbs are pre-chilled, because we don't get a winter where it's cold enough to make them bloom. So pre-chilling them is a must, and I would say 8 to 12 weeks. That's approximately how long I did these. And plant them out early, get them early. I got these out January 8th is when I planted them in, and today's February 1st, and they're doing great. It's almost a month and that's all the progress I have. Now, let me go take a look at the hyacinths. They're right there. So we have tulips over there as well, over there, and the hyacinths are right there. Here we are. So this is a lot better than last year. Last year they didn't come up at all, but look, we got two peeking through. So excited. We have progress. Hello, hyacinths. So over here we have my hibiscus, but I had planted hyacinths here last year and they never came up. I love you too, sweetheart. And I saw a video of Janey and she said that, I don't know, honey. She said that all her bulbs are coming back up. And she's in zone 9 as well, so I checked mine. And look what I have. Look, this is from last year, so it actually survived. And is that one? Yep, that's another one there. But look, this definitely is a hyacinth bulb. I never dug it up or anything. I just left it there. So I planted it there and never came up at all. And I think I actually planted these in April with the tulips. So look at that. We can leave our bulbs in and they'll come back. Interesting. Even if it's just one, I'll take it. So I'll keep you posted on that. All right, so this is our side bed. We're gonna take a look at our ranunculus, and they are right there. But wait, look at the ones in the pot. Look at all those leaves. That's a lot of leaf. Can't wait to see the blooms. Wow. And let's take a look at the ones in the ground. Going up my slope. But these, the ones in the pot actually has more height than the other ones. See, they're a little bit shorter than the ones in the pot. But they have a good amount of foliage on them. And ooh, look at the hibiscus. I see more shoots coming up. Look at that. That's a lot. And this one is hibiscus or head over heels passion from Bloomables. Look at this. There is so many that are coming up. Wow. You gonna tell your daddy? Okay, go tell your daddy. I told her to sit, so she's not too happy. So here go another angle. Look, I'm gonna cut those branches back soon. All right, and here's our other hibiscus we're looking at today. This one is by the forest, and it sure is dirty. The sprinkler was actually on today, so I'm sure all the muds got to it, but we'll get it cleaned up later. But that's doing good as well. I need to come in and cut that back. It doesn't have as much new growth as the other one does. So, but we have new growth, so we'll take it. I'm sure we'll catch up later with the other one. All right, so that's it. So it's our front drift of our Supertunia vistas. They're filling in nicely, but look at this one. It's pink and white. Isn't that cool? Wow, super cool. All right, thank you for watching, guys. Follow along for more.